No. I'm too nervous for that shit. I'm just wrapping up the vlog here. So, I took a day trip out to Castle Falls, Beaver Mines Lake area where I camped. Took a day trip out there with Rebecca and Wren. That was really good. Wren was awesome. Just post-surgery stuff. We've just been taking it really, really slow. And she's finally, like... That was the first time I think we finally saw, like, okay, we pushed it a little bit more than normal, than what her, like, regular walking habits were. We kind of, like, advanced that. Got her off leash twice, and she paced herself really well, and she was not limpy. She didn't look injured. Like, she didn't seem sore. So that was really good. Yeah, she didn't go full-out sprint ever, which was actually a good thing because, again, that could lead to problems. So, yeah. No, it was good. It was really good. So that was that. Only other video this week is a conversation about, like, artist imposter syndrome, I guess I'll call it that, which is a thing that I don't think I felt before, but I'm feeling right now a little bit, and it's a little convoluted and complicated and weird and whatever. You'll see. You'll see. It is a little more of a visual conversation than normal because I show you this piece that I'm working on, or that I finished, that added to this whole imposter syndrome type thing. So, I think that's pretty much it for this vlog. I haven't been biking lately since my camping trip. I had to take my bike in, and yeah, today was the earliest I could take it in. They finished it today, so I'm going to pick up tomorrow, and I guess we'll go from there, and hopefully I get to hit some trails this weekend, and yeah, we'll see what that looks like. But anyway, I think that's it for the vlog, and we'll see you on another time.